Welcome back everyone. This is Rooney Lin and I'm going to create another educational video session again, doing more exercise on brilliant.org as we did previously. So let's dive straight into it. We are still continuing with foundational math here. Is the mathematical thinking you can see on my mouse pointer. So I'll click it. And you can see mathematical thinking, we're doing more numerical calculations with the diagrams. Still on level 1 track, visualize fractions. We're doing this splitting and combining chapter. So I'll click start right here. And I think we've just entered and wait for a while now. There we are. Splitting and combining. So first exercise, color 1/8 of the shape. So I think this. I'll check. Correct. Fraction 1/8 means take one of 8 equal parts. So like this, one of the larger triangles, 1/8 of the shape, as you can see on the shaded part only as in the diagram. Continue. Now color 4/8 of the shape. Oh, that's simple. Correct. So you can see the explain that there are several ways to color 4/8 is to simply take 4 of 8 equal parts, so 1/2 of total area. Continue. Now color 5/8 of the shape. Alright. Sorry for the mispronunciation here. Correct. So step 1. There are several ways to color 5 of 8 equal parts. So simply split the dot right squares into eighths. As you can see, either both diagrams. Or we could combine smaller pieces to make eighths. Also works on the right here. Continue. To see 5/8, we could split the dot right square into eighths. So I just explained it previously. That's how it works again. Or we could combine smaller pieces to make eighths. Alternative method which also works as expected. Now let's color some 16ths. So color 3/16 of the shape. Let's see. Yes, that's correct. Smaller squares are 16, so simply take 3 of them to color 3/16 of the shape. So these 3 parts is the simplest. Continue. 5/16 of the shape. Again, which one shall I choose? Yes, that's correct. Small squares and small triangles, each 1/16. Take 5 of them to color 5/16 of the shape, as you can see on either left or right of the diagram. Continue. Now 7/16 to be colored. Let's see. Like this. Correct. Small squares and small triangles, again each 1/16. Any combination you select 7 of them will simply color 7/16 of the shape as required. Continue. To make fractions, it matters what shapes are chopped into equal sized pieces, but it doesn't matter how. So you can see the pink pieces, either triangle or square shape, are each exactly 1/16 of the shape total area, as you all just discovered right now. I'll click continue again. Nice work. Let's quickly check your understanding. As previously, we would work out 3 exercise testing questions for checking your understanding. So I'll start off by clicking continue here. Color 4/16 of triangle. That's exactly 1/4, so check that. Correct. Each tiny triangle is 1/16. 4 of them altogether make 4/16. Or again, like this whole triangle is a quarter of the 4, so I just selected that part, which also works, doesn't it? I'll click continue. Second question, now color 5/16 of the triangle. What could that be? Let's see. Like this? Correct. Each triangle is 1/16 of the whole shape combined, so we need equivalent 5 of them to make 5/16. One of the larger triangles is a quarter, and plus a tiny triangle, so altogether make 5/16 of the whole. I'll click continue. Now color 9/16 of the triangle. I think this combined. Check. Yup, correct. Why? Each tiny triangle, again, 1/16 of whole shape, equivalent 9 to make 9/16. In this diagram selected, two equilibrial larger equilibrial triangles make half, then small one makes 9/16. 2 plus a tiny 2 plus a tiny triangle is 9/16 of the whole, as you can see on the diagram as explained. That's it. I think we've just finished the exercise, so I'll finish this session off here. Lesson complete. I've gained 155 total XP this time. Continue. Boom. Wow, 20 days streak in a row. I've scored perfectly. So I did quite an achievement so far today again. Today on Saturday, I mean. Click continue. No. Premium users have 20 times longer streaks, as you can see. But I'm never doing premium, don't worry guys. So remind me later. So yeah, that's it for my today's educational video that I've worked out some splitting and combining fraction of particular diagram. We've selected all together and we discovered everything so far today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to add a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more related video contents as well. Alright, so that just makes you really helpful for identifying fractions and learning diagrams for basic understandings numerically. Alright, but I'll come back for more educational videos in the future. That's it for the lesson, guys. Take care. Cheers. Bye.